Happy New Year, everyone. Don't know about you, but I am rough. So it's time to do the draw. I'm going to do the draw for the decals and the torx screwdrivers. So these are the names of the people that subscribed to my YouTube channel Supercarlsunday and left a comment on a video. So one of these will be the lucky winners of the torx screwdrivers and the decals. So I'm going to put these in the hat. So Ditch, you're in the hat. Richard, you're in the hat. Paul, you're in the hat. Geckler, you're in the hat. So I'll mix these up, give them a good mix up. I can't see any of these, completely random. In the old helmet there, and it is Paul Featherstone. So Paul Featherstone, if you can contact me through my Instagram page, Supercarlsunday, and then I'll sort out getting the stickers and the screwdrivers onto you. So with all that over, I'm going to go and get on, do a bit of work today. I'm going to carry on with the TZR 253MA, and I'll be back to you with another video soon. Thanks for watching, and look out for more of my draws, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Supercarlsunday if you haven't already. And yeah, I hope you enjoy my content. See you soon.